Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to activate the Saily eSIM on your Xiaomi 15. It's super easy, and I'll walk you through every step. Before we dive in, I want to remind you that there's an affiliate link in the description, plus a 15% off coupon code. So if you're picking up a Saily eSIM, make sure you use that to save a little extra cash. First things first, make sure your Xiaomi 15 can support a SIM. Most Xiaomi 15 models do, but it's always a good idea to double check. Here's how you can do it. Head to Settings, About Phone, and confirm your model. Then go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, and if you see the option that says Add SIM, you're all set. Now let's get the Saily eSIM app. You can download it from Google Play or just scan the QR code on the official Saily website. Once you've got it, open it up and create your account. It only takes a minute. Inside the app, you'll find data plans for over 200 destinations. Pick your destination, choose a plan that suits your needs, and hit Buy Now. All right, it's time to set up the SIM. It's really simple. After you purchase your plan, Saily will give you a QR code or an installation link. Here's what you need to do. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Add Carrier, Add SIM. Next, choose Use QR Code and scan the code from the Saily app or your email. Follow the on-screen instructions. Your SIM will install automatically, and it only takes a few seconds. Once your SIM is installed, you're basically good to go. Saily activates automatically as soon as you arrive at your destination, so there's nothing more to do. Just land, turn on your mobile data, and you're all set. Here are a few quick tips to get the best experience on your Xiaomi 15. Keep airplane mode off and make sure mobile data is on after landing. Don't forget to enable data roaming in your settings. If you ever lose signal, just restart your phone. It should reconnect automatically, and that's it. You just activated your Saily eSIM on the Xiaomi 15. Quick and easy, perfect for travel.